What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. In this review, we have an electric fly swatter. This is my second time having one. The first one is called, I believe, Tack Time, and this one is called PALONE. These are the coolest zappers that you can have. I do recommend this zapper. Well, I don't know about this one yet, but the other zapper I have, it zaps these gnats, all right, or gnats, however they spell it. They spell it G-N-A-T-S, I think. So gnats, you know those things that be on the plants, to be in your fruit. They don't be in your fruit. I don't know if they be in your fruit, but they be on your fruit if you leave your fruit out for a while. Those little flying things, they in your house, and sometimes they're around you. You flopping them, flopping. So basically, in your house, you have these little bugs, gnats. And they are the most annoying thing in your house, all right? It's annoying. You're trying to eat, they flying in your face. You're trying to look at TV, they flying in your face. You on your laptop, they flying in your face. You swapping. And you can't hit them because they move fast, and there's so many of them, all right? So I did a little video of how many gnats died from the zapper that I have in there, the little fly swatter electric zapper that I reviewed months back, last year, I believe. Now, this year it looks like this one have a different design to it. At least that's what it looks like from what I see here. Same style. I love it. Let me go ahead and unbox this. All right, we're gonna take it out the box. It has 3 wires of mesh. This thing is 4,000 volts of power. And we got our charger. I saw another video where somebody was talking about the gnats nest inside of your drain as well. So we did put it close to the drain, the other fly swatter one. At night, you will hear pop, 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 even sometimes during the day, but mainly at night because, you know, the light attracts bugs. So at night, it will sound like the 4th of July all year long, all right? And we keep it right there by the kitchen sink. So that's a little advice that I could give to y'all if you want to get rid of gnats. And we also have a lot of plants in our sunroom, and it's by the sink. So if you have a lot of gnats in a certain area, definitely put this around where the gnats be. And I leave mine on the charger 24/7, all day, every day. I know some people may be worried about the status of their product and stuff like that, right? Or the electric bill. But I don't think this is gonna do any damage to your electric bill besides turning your AC on. That does more damage to your electric bill. Okay, so battery capacity, you got 1800 milliamps. That's what it says here. I already told y'all it's 4,000 volts. Rated input charging 5 volts. So you can hook this up with a 5-volt block. You should be good on charging this bad boy. And that's about it. You do get instructions. It's kind of self-explanatory, but you know, sometimes this stuff can get a little complicated. So we have the fly swatter here, and yes, we do zap flies with this. Does it attract flies? I don't technically think it attracts flies, but if a fly gets in your way, they don't want to be around this. Trust me. All right, so depending on how you have your thread, obviously this side with the screws is supposed to be the back side right here. And they have a piece of tape on the on and off. We're going to take the tape off, probably for safety measures. And you can turn it on, and we do have some life. So I believe the first one should be on the on mode, but let's go ahead and check that out real quick before I let y'all go. All right, so we have the instructions, you guys. We have the instructions right here. We already twisted on. All right, so you have switch off the power. So it's already off. When you see this, the O symbol right here, that means off. If you have it all the way down. All right, manual mode is in the middle. So you have to flip this in the middle. I know I'm usually closer to y'all guys, but you know, it is what it is today. All right, so you have to put it in the middle to put it on manual mode. Night mosquito automatic mode means all the way up. So we have it all the way up right now, and it is lit up on the bottom. Don't know if y'all can see it too well. All right, tips. The battery can be detached to charge independently. Oh, okay. So is this the battery? Oh, this is the battery. Nice. Okay. All right. Okay, because it has prongs. It has prongs on the bottom. So this is the battery. If you want to charge this by itself, you can charge it by itself. Me, I usually just leave it on the charger all the time. Like, that's the exact spot I leave it, and I leave it there until the day I'm probably going to leave the house. So you have a USB type C right here, right? And then you can charge this on the bottom right here. So they're saying that it is prohibited to charge this, right? It is prohibited to charge this and charge this at the same time. Why? I don't know. But if they saying don't do it, I wouldn't do it. All right, I'm gonna put it right here for y'all, or there somewhere. I'll put it somewhere for y'all. So I'm gonna say it one more time. I'm gonna say it one more time for y'all. Note, it is strictly prohibited to charge the Type C1 charging port and the Type C2 charging port at the same time. That's what it says here. I wouldn't do it. They don't give you a reason why. So I don't know. I don't know if it will catch on fire or something. I don't know. I'm just kidding, you guys. I don't think it's going to be that serious. Maybe it will malfunction or something like that. So they saying it's prohibited to charge both at the same time. So I would just listen to the directions. Just me personally, I just leave it on this charger. I get a little 5 volt block, and I just leave it plugged in all the time, and I leave it all the way on and listen to the fireworks at night in my kitchen. I love this style. If they have another style like this or something a little different, then I'll get it. In my opinion, this is the best zapper, just for the simple fact on you can leave it plugged in like this, or when you barbecuing and stuff like that, flies are getting on your nerves, take it off and use it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.